Throughout the world, one recipe that is very popular and coming from north of India is Dal Makhani. The richness of the dal and how it is made makes it superb. That's why world over this is the most loved dal. So to make Dal Makhani, first we are going to add a little bit of oil and do the tempering. If you want, you can also add ghee. In this, add a little bit of whole garam masala, maybe a bay leaf to flavor it, some cumin seeds, add some finely chopped onion, not too much, very little. We are going to brown this little bit, but in this also add some green chilli and little extra of fine ginger. Cook it on a medium flame till it is slightly colored. Little bit of turmeric, ginger garlic paste, and now you are going to add tomato puree. Tomato puree is the one which will give that makhani flavor. We are going to add butter later, but first tomato puree. In the tomato puree, add some coriander powder, a little bit of garam masala, some chilli powder. Add some water, bring this to a nice boil and raw flavor of the tomato is gone. Only add the dal when this awesome gravy is nice and silky. Now add the boiled urad dal whole. Now this entire mixture will get a life, but not the full flavor. Full flavor and aroma will only come when you add Kasuri methi. Then you add butter, then you add cream, then you have to eat it with a garlic naan. That's when Dal Makhani is at its best. Of course, you can eat Dal Makhani with pulao, with other kind of rotis, but best with garlic naan. When the dal silkens this tomato gravy even further, add salt, the kasuri methi and butter. Good amount of butter. I did everything possible to lose weight because I want to eat butter like this. Boomba boomba. The color of Dal Makhani, from the red color, it turns into chocolatey red. Wow. When you start getting the best of the best aroma, you're going to take some of the dal and mix it with the cream. Okay. Then pour the cream into the dal and mix it well. This is one recipe where you cook after adding cream. Keep cooking on a slow flame for 4-5 minutes till the cream is also emulsified along with the butter and the dal. This is what makes Dal Makhani one of the tastiest. This is my perfect Dal Makhani. And what it has to be eaten with? Garlic naan. Look at this dough. Nice, soft and so perfect. Now sprinkle some flour, squeeze in the size cup C and you will have a perfect naan. Then just on the edges, make it thin, prickle it in the center, take the rolling pin and make a thin naan. Add some chopped garlic and coriander and just press it with your hand. More importantly, the flame should be super hot and only then your naan will be soft. Take the naan just from the edge and you will start seeing lot of bubbles. Take the naan and put it directly on the flame like this. This is a perfect naan. Apply some melted butter. If you want to eat garlic naan by itself, you can sprinkle some chaat masala, but we are going to enjoy it with Dal Makhani and this is such a perfect garlic naan, that too on a tawa. The aroma of garlic on this naan and the Dal Makhani is something to die for. The naan has to just stir in very easily. That's when a dollop of Dal Makhani. Oh, but this is super hot. What a dal, what a dal, what a dal. Dear friends, be blessed. India is full of life-living worthy dishes and one of it is Dal Makhani. And when you eat it, absolutely boomba boomba.